this is Irene. Welcome you all to a brand new video of Lead Educare. In today's video, again I'll be showing some pronunciation, meaning and uses of 4 different words. Live, leave, live and lives. So watch my video completely to understand the uses, correct pronunciation and meaning of these words. So the first word that I'll be showing, the first words for which I'll be showing the pronunciation today is live. Now L-I-V-E, live, it means to remain alive or to stay in a certain place. When we stay in a certain place and when we try to express that somebody is not dead, they're still alive, we use this word live. So you can use this word in sentences like, the doctor said she only had 6 months to live. The doctor said she only had 6 months to live. Or, my friend lives in America. My friend lives in America. Now, the pronunciation of this word is very simple, very fast, and very short. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Very light as well. The next word that I'll be explaining is leave. Leave. L-E-A-V-E. Leave. Now, this both word may sound similar to some people. It doesn't sound same to me, but to some people these two words may sound same, but they are actually pronounced very differently. The first one was pronounced live. If you pay attention, you can understand the first one was pronounced really fast and really lightly. Live. The second one, L-E-A-V-E, it's pronounced leave. Leave. Pay attention. I'm putting a lot of pressure. I'm stretching L-E. I'm stretching the sound of L-E. Leave. Leave. Try that with me. Leave. This one means when we go away from a place, a person, or when we allow somebody to keep our belongings or anything for a certain amount of time. It means leave. So to express certain situations, we use this word leave. You can use this word in sentences like, my flight leaves at 9 p.m. tomorrow night. My flight leaves at 9 p.m. tomorrow night. Or, I'll leave these files with you. I'll leave these files with you. So these two words, live and leave, they both mean completely different and they are actually pronounced completely differently. But I've often seen many students confusing them. The next word that I'll be explaining in my video today is live. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Live. Pay attention. Here again, I'm stretching the pronunciation of L-I. Live. Live. But I'm not stretching it too much. I'm still going very fast and very soft. Live. This word means when you are watching something, when it exactly is happening. When something is telecasted in the television or in social media as it happens, but you might not be there at that moment, you might not be watching that directly, but you are watching it as it happens from somewhere else. For example, you can use this word in sentences like, oh, she went live on Facebook yesterday. Or I was watching her live throughout. I was watching her live throughout the whole time. Or they're showing the football tournament live in BBC. They're showing the football tournament live in BBC. So these are a few sentences where you can use this word. And again, I'm repeating the pronunciation, live. Notice the first time, L-I-V-E, that one was pronounced live. And this one, L-I-V-E, this one is pronounced live. The last word for today's video is lives. L-I-V-E-S. Lives. This one is the plural form of the normal word life. Life, which means existence of any human or animal. This one is the life, is the singular form, and lives is the plural form of life. When there is more than one life, we use the word lives. L-I-V-E-S. You can use this word in sentences like, there are 309 lives on that plane. There are 309 lives on that plane. The pronunciation is quite similar to the word live. Live, lives. Live, lives. So I hope this video helps you pronounce these words correctly, use them in the correct sentences, and understand their meaning very well. If it does, do let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and share this video with anyone that you think might be helpful. Bye!